Welcome to solverfy.
All right, question 39. I'm going to start with the distance formula because I want to find the distance, the closest distance from that point to the equation. And they give me x and f of x. So my distance, of course, equals x minus x1. So I'm left with x squared plus x minus 1, which is my f of x, minus 0 minus 0, so that would be squared. Actually, that would be the fourth because it would be squared. Sorry. So that is to the fourth power, which makes d squared equal to x squared plus x minus 1 to the fourth. The radical sign will come into play later on. We'll actually solve for the equation at the end then. So for right now, I'm going to let my f of x equal d. So now I have f prime, and I'm going to take the derivative of d squared. So I have 2x minus 4, x minus 1 to the third power times the derivative of the inside, which is just 1. And then I have f double prime equals 2 minus 12 x minus 1 squared. So I'm going to put, let's see, in my graphing calculator, I'm going to put this equation in my y1, this in my y2, this in my y3, and then my f of n plus 1 equals x minus f prime over f double prime. This is going to be my y4, which is really my x minus y2 over y3 in my graphing calculator. So now I plug in x of 1 into my in the ask. I change it to ask and I plug in 0.5 and I look at y sub 4, and then x2 gives me 0.4, so then I plug in 0.4, which gives me, now I'm looking at my y4 in my graphing calculator, which is the equation x minus f prime over f double prime, and x sub 3 gives me 0.4, 0.410127. X sub 4 equals x sub 5, which equals 0.410245. So now I plug in 0.410245 into my f function, which is in my y1 position. And that gives me 0.2892. But remember, that equals d squared. So I want to take the square root of that to find my answer. So the square root, the square root of 0.2892734 equals 0.537841. So my answer, f of 0.410245 equals 0.537841, and that's my answer.